So today we're cleaning this fountain out. We've got a problem with the filter is not filtering like it should, and the lights have degraded so much that they no longer work. Now the reason this is happening is because the client is putting bleach in the fountain to prevent algae buildup. What happens is it deteriorates, it adds to the pH of the water and causes these lights to break down like this. So that's why they're no longer working. This filter media also, you see, if I stretch this, just falls right apart. Whereas a brand new piece, I can stretch as hard as I want and it won't tear. So that is how much this chlorine bleach in there has really torn this up and caused these problems. So we're going to be replacing the filter media. We'll be cutting out these lights and replacing the lights. And we will also be pumping out this water to put some fresh, clean water in there so we can start completely fresh with everything. So here's just a little trick I've learned over the years. If you don't have a pump and you need to get water out of a feature or a pool, you can try this. It's just a siphon method. I'll fill up my pipe with water. Cap it. All we're gonna do is flip. And it creates a siphon, filling that up with water, capping the ends and then sticking it back down in there. When the water I initially put in the pipe starts to drain, it creates a siphon and starts pulling from the reservoir, and it will continuously suck that out. And else I like to do before I finish pumping all the water out is I'll come in here, stir all these rocks around, and I'll get all that debris on the bottom stirred up. And you'll see why here in just a second. Alright, so we're going to set the lights down in here. We're going to make sure they're at a good angle pointing up to highlight the fixture at night from the people inside so they can see it. This excess wire I'll bury under the rocks. Oh, here we are, filled back up, as clean as it can be. New lights, filter media. Beautiful, peaceful fountain.